Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use biomedia in aquariums. Biomedia is the heart of your tank's biological filtration, providing a vast surface area for beneficial bacteria to colonize. These tiny helpers are crucial for converting harmful ammonia and nitrite, which are toxic to fish, into much safer nitrate. Understanding its role is the first step to a thriving aquatic environment, ensuring your fish and plants stay healthy and happy. When selecting biomedia, you have several excellent choices. Ceramic rings are highly porous, offering ample space for bacteria. Bio balls are great for maximizing surface area and ensuring good oxygen flow. Sponge filters are versatile, providing both mechanical and biological filtration in one. Even natural options like lava rock can be effective due to their porous structure. Each type has unique benefits, so consider your aquarium's specific needs. Proper placement of your biomedia is key to its effectiveness. Always position it after any mechanical filtration, like sponges or filter floss, to prevent it from getting clogged with debris. This ensures maximum water flow through the media, allowing beneficial bacteria to thrive. Remember to keep all biomedia fully submerged to maintain those vital bacterial colonies. And a crucial tip: never clean it with tap water, as chlorine will kill your beneficial bacteria. Maintaining your biomedia is simpler than you might think. When performing tank maintenance, gently rinse the media in a bucket of old aquarium water. Never use tap water. It's vital to avoid replacing all your biomedia simultaneously, as this can crash your biological filter. If you must replace some, do so gradually over several weeks. Consistent monitoring of your water parameters will help ensure your biological filtration remains robust and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.